You guys, we just got here. It stayed standing. It did not fall down at all. I'm like shocked. I have to do a quick snake check before I let Mila out of the car, and then we'll get started. I'm Nina. I bought 6 acres in the desert and I have no idea what I'm doing with it, but hopefully I will be one step closer to just making the home of my dreams. Good morning, everyone. Don't touch it, don't touch it. As you can see, my foundation stayed standing, propped up overnight, which is great. I did forget my little memory card for my camera, so I'm using my phone, which I'll probably run out of storage at some point. So this will probably be a short video. The goal for today is to try and do the 4x4s, notch them out, and attach them. That's my goal. It seems like not very much, but I know it's gonna take me a long time. Let's get started. Y'all, I need a chisel. Definitely don't have one. Like a proper chisel, you know? I need something to like hold this down. I mean, a flathead screwdriver would even be better at this point. Okay, I got these timber bolts and a washer to notch my 4x4 into the 2x6, but unfortunately I don't have a bit that fits this. It's just slightly too big. So I'll have to get that. In the meantime, I think I'm just gonna use my 3-inch exterior deck screws, at least one, and just secure one in there, and then I'll come back. I got 3 for each post, corner post I should say, so I guess maybe I'll just screw it normally. And I think maybe I should pick up a chisel. All right, let's make some more cuts. It didn't sound good. I get this too. There we go. Okay. Goes over there for right now. It doesn't sound right. Like, I think I must be holding it wrong. I don't know. This bottom thing moves. I've got to be doing something wrong. Oh my God, what was that? This fell off. Shit. Probably goes here. Which is why this keeps moving, maybe? I think that's supposed to be tight. I don't know. Something's just not very smooth, you know? This? Do you think it's my angle? I need somebody to tell me what I'm doing wrong. Pretty jagged. There's a little bit of a space. Probably not going to be perfect, so we'll just try and squeeze. I don't know why that was so hard. I don't understand. understand. Guys, I'm really having a hard time with this. I'm doing something wrong, but I don't know what. Also, this is supposed to be adventure. 19. Oh, 24. Well, it still looks okay. It just seems really difficult to cut. I don't know if my blade needs sharpening or what, but it's seeming very difficult to cut. It's not straight at all. I'm really struggling with this. I'm really struggling with this saw, you guys. Maybe I need to find a class. Why is it doing that? What the heck? It's a good thing I have extra fucking wood. You know it's bad when I'd rather fucking hand saw than use my power tool. There's something, I'm doing something wrong for sure. I just don't know what it is. But it keeps getting like caught. It's not very smooth at all. And then the blade is just not really moving through this wood very well. I don't know if it's just because it's pressure treated or if it's the blade or what, but it's not going well. I'm gonna make my little cuts in this. I really want to get this post done. That's what we got. My hand saw it. BRB. I think that's the bottom. I definitely didn't cut that. Looks way too smooth. We did it! Let's see how close to level we are. Okay guys, this is not level. I think I can maybe do that with rocks. I think I could shim it up. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know what that means really. This side is almost level and this side is not level at all. Okay, if anyone knows, help me out. Here, the back right is all right. The middle is not level at all. Like another inch. This is pretty good. I mean, for somebody who's never done this before, but I don't understand why the sides are somewhat level, but the middle is not level. And I will be putting another block and everything in the middle. Oh my God. Look, that one's right on the money. That one's good. The middle here. This one. That one's perfect too. This post is the only one that's level, Mila. Honestly, I think overall it could be worse. Like it could be less level. I don't think I did too bad for my first time. I'm all right with it. So I need to get a bigger bit for my drill so I can drill in my big, I don't know what they're called, timber rods. I don't know, with the washer. I need to put those in. And then I'll start on the like middle tough block for each section. So like for each 2x6, there'll also be a tough block and another post in that area to keep things a little bit more sturdy. And then after that, I'll probably think about measuring out how many more 2x6s I need for my cross supports. I need to get the little brackets that those hold into. And then those will have some tough block supports underneath as well. My middle one for sure will have 3 total because I got 9 tough blocks. So that's the plan. I'm going to move some of this wood I have for just underneath the pile, and then I'm gonna tarp the whole thing because I have to work and then I'm going out of town this weekend, so I don't know when I'm going to be able to come back. I'm hoping Friday morning I'll come out before I leave for the weekend. So yeah, overall I'm okay with it. I feel like it was okay. If you have any tips about how to use a circular saw, please let me know because something just doesn't feel right with it. I don't think it's cutting correctly. I'm not really sure though. I'm gonna clean up and then I'll hopefully see you guys Friday morning. Bye.